Hey everybody, it's Jared here with Big Pine Sports. It has been a beautiful day up here today. Nice and overcast, not been too hot. It's rained on us a little bit. We've been up steep grades, down steep grades, out across some really high-speed dusty areas as well. So we're here and we're going to answer some of those questions that you guys have had about the Yamaha cab kit. The number one thing was how loud is it inside the cab, and I'm pleased to share with you that it's very, very comfortable noise-wise inside the cab. In fact, that's one of the first things that we had noticed cruising down Skyline Drive here in Utah, that it was just nice and quiet inside the cab. What about the dust? So we came down on the north side of Skyline Drive on our way out to Highway 6. This last year was devastating for this area as a big wildfire came through, and throughout the trail systems here there's a lot of silty mountain dirt as well as the ash covering the ground. You'll be going along and it'll be brown and then have a lot of black sections, and we were kicking up quite a bit of dust. You can see from the tire area and stuff here that it was in fact really dusty. Right up through here there's a lot of dust. So how was the dust inside the cab? We didn't have dust circulating inside the cab anywhere on us. Most of the time today we have had the windows open to get a little airflow inside that cab, but no dust inside the cab. There are a few sections inside the cab that we can notice a little bit of dust has come in, but it didn't get to the point where it was like obnoxious or in our way. We didn't feel like we were breathing it or anything like that. Where was air coming through inside the cab? Really, the only place we noticed any air coming inside the cab was right in this area where the steering console comes through. It wasn't obnoxious or anything like that, but as I moved my hand around, I could feel a little bit of air coming in around that console where the steering wheel moves up and down. It did get a little warm in very slow speeds as we were going up some steep grades and down some steep grades in that 10 to 12 mile an hour range. It did get a little bit warm inside the cab. We noticed that the heat was coming up from where the gear shift knob is, as well as the park brake, and a little bit warm down on your leg, but not unbearable by any means. Having those windows open seemed to give us some airflow inside that cab as well. So, in a nutshell, what do we think of the cab kit? We absolutely love it. Is it worth the money? Hands down. If you're a hunter, a farmer, someone that wants to be out of the elements, I highly recommend the cab kit. We did use the wiper function as well. Utilize the washer fluid. It has a nice even spray pattern. The wiper works very flawlessly. It doesn't chatter along the window or anything like that. So really, really good quality product here from Yamaha. Highly recommend it. Totally worth the money. I wouldn't waste your money on any of those lesser quality cab kits, because this baby is going to do the job. It's going to seal up how we're saying it will. If you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com, or shoot me a text, 435-851-3637. This cab kit is also available for the X4. Same style, same functionality, just covers up where that back seat is. Have a great day, everybody. We'll talk to you soon.